The new Miele RX3 smart handling via the app. The new app supports many useful features. The first time the Scout RX3 starts cleaning in your home, it creates a map. The appliance is able to create and save 2 separate maps. Using the app, you can now divide your home into favorite and blocked areas. The Scout RX3 will avoid blocked areas, such as areas with cables, when cleaning. Favorite areas can be selected for targeted cleaning. The app also supports many more options. You can choose between 4 different cleaning modes or send the vacuum cleaner back to the base station remotely. You can also set up to 7 timer programs, defining start times and cleaning modes for the areas you wish to clean. The vacuum cleaner will start working whenever you want, even if you are not at home. Home Vision HD is another highlight. This function is used for manual control and enables you to monitor and supervise exactly what the Scout RX3 is doing. The camera on the RX3 sends the video in HD quality to your mobile device, as if you were in the room. The new Miele RX3 smart handling via the app.